How to use intelligent remote sensing to obtain crop growth information? How to generate the optimal operation plan with the help of artificial intelligence? How to realize autonomous farmland management through precise operation? These are all questions that the new Gen XAG P-Series agricultural drones can answer. The newly developed Super X4 intelligent control system gives the P-Series the most powerful functionality. With leading dual-engine RTK high-precision positioning, automatic route planning, and the new XAG RealTerra, RevoSpray, and RevoCast systems, it is easy to achieve fully autonomous farmland mapping, precise crop protection, and intelligent broadcast. The new Gen XAG P-Series consists of two agricultural drone models, the P80 and P40, to meet the needs of different operating scenarios. The P80 has an amazing load capacity of 40 kilograms. The new symmetrical beam-like body structure, dual battery power supply, and robust power system further enhance operational efficiency and reduce maintenance costs. The 35-liter smart liquid tank and 10-meter maximum spray width enable a spraying efficiency of more than 20 hectares per hour. With the RevoCast kit, the capacity of the container can be increased to 60 liters and the spreading width is extended to 10 meters with an efficiency of over 1.6 tons per hour. The unprecedentedly large load and flexible operation capability make highly efficient automated farming a reality. The P40 is more compact, convenient, and flexible in operation and transportation. Equipped with a 20-liter smart liquid tank, its spray width can reach 6 meters, and the maximum operating efficiency is more than 13 hectares per hour. With the RevoCast kit, the capacity of the container can be increased to 25 liters, and the broadcast width is extended to 10 meters. The P-Series agricultural drone is equipped with a multi-directional radar matrix. Front dynamic radar, terrain radar, and top view radar together provide a more sophisticated obstacle avoidance capability to ensure flight safety. Through PSL Pilot Perspective Image, users can learn the drone's working status and crop condition in real time, making precision operation possible even in complex environments. For the first time, the XAG RealTerra system enables the agricultural drone to have rapid mapping capability. It can shoot, map, and analyze farmland images autonomously, generating high-definition field maps and AI prescription maps in which farmland boundaries and crop growth status are accurately identified. Its mapping efficiency is more than 80 times that of traditional manual labor. RevoSpray, the fourth generation of the intelligent rotary atomization spraying system, has increased the maximum flow to 10 liters per minute. The new high-efficiency centrifugal atomization nozzle allows it to adjust droplet size freely between 60 and 400 microns. The smart liquid tank can detect the remaining amount in real time to further ensure spraying accuracy. Efficient, even, and unharmful to seeds, XAG RevoCast pushes the physical limit of centrifugal broadcast with a unique spiral feeding mechanism and innovative double spreading disc. The XAG RevoSpray and RevoCast fully support AI prescription map operation, which can reduce the use of pesticides and fertilizers through precise variable rate control, not only protecting the environment, but also improving the safety of agricultural products. The new intelligent supercharged battery, with a 10% higher energy density, only takes 11 minutes to recharge in water at high speed. With IP67 level protection, module level waterproofing, and dust proofing, the P-Series can be washed directly and is more resistant to pesticide corrosion. The newly upgraded XAG Agriculture app is designed for digital farming. which can be connected to a smartphone with one click. All operations, from farmland mapping to crop protection, can be completed with a few clicks. The operation data is stored in the cloud, and the operation report can be shared with one click after completing the task to build trust with farmers. The XAG P-Series agricultural drone, ushering in a new era of autonomous farm management.